I try to start at the beginning of my lessons with a little bit of happiness. I try to greet my students and smile and see that they're happy, because I think that if I'm teaching children that are happy, then it makes the lesson much more enjoyable and it makes the lesson much more successful. So I try to make sure the students are happy and I myself am happy. A game at the beginning of the lesson is normally a really good idea. Something to do with maths, but not necessarily. It can be more generic. I really like a game that I've seen on the air traffic control website where you have to train your eyes to be able to spot moving circles and moving objects as they flash across the screen, and to be able to see where that object is after about 10 seconds of very fast movement. The students I find really like that game, and it's a really nice way to start the lesson. When it comes onto the maths, then my first objective is really to start very simple, to start right from the bottom, to imagine that I'm taking this topic and starting it with somebody that really hasn't seen it before. So I try to make no assumptions. I try to start right from the beginning, and I build up, and that's one of my key strengths. From what people have told me, the feedback I've received, they really like the way I break down the topic and I start from the basics and build it right up.
Yeah, this is quite easy as long as you know where to start. So you draw your Venn diagram. There's not always going to be two. How do you know there's going to be two in this case? There's choir, band, and that's it, it stops. So the choir, the band, and then you want a box for anything that doesn't quite fit in the choir or the band. And you have to start with the intersection. So somewhere out all these numbers is the correct number that we can write in the intersection. If it's not there, then you use the formula. Yeah, you use the formula that we looked at yesterday, just a second ago. Yesterday. So Lubna's right. First stanza is correct. So that's 2, and then you can work from there. Everyone happy with the 2? Okay. Yeah. So then you can choose to go on the right or the left. It's up to you. We'll just go with the right. So the right is the band. How many people are in the band? 5. Now be careful here, Ranga. It says 5 are in the school band. Be careful. 5 are in the band, and if you look at the Kit Kats and the Galaxies, how many people liked Galaxy? 4. It wasn't just 2. So when it says 5 are in the band, it means this plus this is 5. So obviously that must be 3. But it's the process. Do you understand? You start in the middle, and then you've got to think, what the middle, the intersection 2 plus something equals the 5. Okay. What's this 7 telling you?
There's 7 people who's in choir, but this.
Okay.
So it's 5.
So it's 7 in the whole circle of the choir. We've already got 2.
So there is 5 that only.
So there's only 5 there. Okay. We've used this, we've used this, we've used this. Anything left?
30.
Okay. So that must be?
30 minus the total.
i.e. 20 on the outside.
Yeah.
Yeah? Fahimt? Fahimtum? Comprene? Luz? Okay.
Muffy.
Alright, that was an easy example. Please read the next example. Example 5.
Fractions. Do we stop?